Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your today's chapter briefing session for chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is the keyboard. In this chapter, we had learned about one of the important devices which is required in our computer system. This input device or this computer device helps you to type. It helps you to provide the input from the device to the computer. Yes, this device also consists of so many buttons which are known as keys. Yes, we are talking about the keyboard. As you can see, a keyboard is a computer device which is used to type and to provide instructions or the data to the computer. The keyboard is being attached to the CPU with the help of a wire. As you can see, the keyboard which is in my hand, it consists of so many buttons which are available. From these buttons itself, the name of the keyboard has come. That is the first 6 keys of the alphabetic letter which forms the word QWERTY, QWERTY. Hence, this keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. It consists of different keys like alphabet keys, spatial keys, navigation keys, numeric keypad, function keys, number keys, and alphabetic keys. So, in this chapter, we are going to talk about these types of keys. After this, I would be sharing the chapter reading session along with the exercise part for chapter number 5. The first type of key that we are going to talk about is alphabetic key, and everybody know that alphabetic key or alphabet key are those keys on which alphabets are written. Normally, when we type by using these alphabet keys, whatever we are typing, it will be in small letters. But by using the buttons or keys, shift key or caps lock, we can type the capital letters also. What we have to remember, that while using the shift key, we have to keep pressing the shift key, then only the alphabetic letters or the capital letters will be typed. Whereas in case of caps lock, you have to just press only one time the caps lock key will get on. Once the caps lock key is on, whatever you are typing will be in the capital letters. So, by using the shift key and by using the caps lock, we can type capital letters. Shift key is a temporary method of typing capital letters, means until you have pressed the shift key, you can type capital letters. Once you will release the shift key and then you will type, then it will not type in the capital letters, rather it will type in the small letters. But caps lock is a permanent method. That means once you have pressed the caps lock key, it will type capital letters until you make it off. So the first type of key is alphabetic key. After that, we have the next, that is your number key. Everybody know the keys on which numbers are written are known as number key. They are from 1 to 9 and 0. Along with these number key, we have a numeric keypad also. As I have mentioned in the class, this keypad is used for accounting, billing purposes, calculation purposes, fast calculation करने के लिए. So, in your normal keyboard, we have number keys available at 2 points. One is at the top, second row, and a numeric keypad. Number keys are used for typing numbers in your text document. After the number key, we have symbol key. As you have seen, there are lots of symbols which are available on your number keys as well as on the side of the alphabet keys. There are symbols which are available on the number key like exclamation mark, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage sign. Similarly, we have other symbols which are used in your grammatical English also, punctuation marks. We can use these symbols by pressing the shift button and the number key on which that symbol is available. Just for an example, if we press the shift key and the numeric 2, number 2 key, so the sign which is available on that number key, that is the @ sign, that @ sign will be printed. If you are just simply pressing the number key, the number will get printed. But to print the symbol, we have to use the shift key, and it will help you to display the symbol which is available on that key. It will print that symbol on the page. After that, we are going to talk about certain special keys. Special keys, like your first is space bar. Everybody know space bar is used to leave a blank space between the two words. The white space, the blank space between two words, lines, it is being left by using the space bar. Even I want to tell you, the space bar is the longest key available on your keyboard. After the space bar, the next key is your enter key. While typing, when you want that your cursor should move to the next line, beginning of the next line, to change the cursor to the beginning of the next line, we use enter key. When you will enter, the cursor from the previous line will be shifted to the next line, into the beginning of the next line. So enter key is used to take the cursor to the next line. Shift key and caps lock key, I have already told you, these are keys used to type alphabetical letters in the capital form, and shift key is also used to type the symbols. Escape key, when you are working some work and you want to come out of that work or program, we click on escape key. Normally or usually, the escape key is the first key of the keyboard, first key, which is written as ESC. So whatever work you are doing, the escape key help you to come out of that program. It help you to come out of that program or that action. Then after the escape key, we have backspace, key and delete key. As in the class, I had told you, both the keys are used to delete or erase the letter or the character. So just I am writing one character, I am writing apple, and right now my cursor is at this point. If I press on the backspace key, backspace always deletes towards the left side. Backspace आपके left की तरफ words को या letters को delete करता है, hence P will get deleted and A will get deleted if I press backspace for 2 times. But if I have pressed delete key deletes towards the right direction. Means जब मैं delete key press करूँगा, it will delete P first, then L, then E. Means it starts deleting towards the right direction. Backspace deletes towards the left direction. Both the keys are used to delete the content or delete the letter. After we have tab key. As I have told you, space bar leaves one blank space. Space bar को press करने पर एक blank space leave किया जाता है. But if you will press tab key, which is available below the escape key, when you will press tab key, it will leave 5 blank spaces. Tab key को press करने पर 5 blank spaces को वो leave करता है. You will press tab one time, it will leave 5 blank spaces. Again you will press, it will again leave 5 spaces. Okay? After that we have function keys. Function keys which are from F1 to F12. They are related with different functions which you will be learning in your higher classes. Just for example, I'm taking function key F5. It is used to refresh the computer. जब भी आप कंप्यूटर वर्क कर रहे हैं, to refresh it out, to clear the cache memories and delete the things, we use the refresh option. तो आप directly F5 को press कर सकते हैं and it will make the memory refresh. After that we have navigation key. Navigation means to move. So these key, like the arrow key, the home, insert, page up and page down, these keys are used to navigate in your document. आपके document में एक place से दूसरी place या एक point से दूसरे point में जाने में help करता है navigation key. So let's say we have a page. Okay, we have a page. So the arrow keys will help the cursor to go up, down, left और right as per your requirement. आपके कर्सर को up, down, left, right करने के लिए हम arrow key का use करते हैं. After the arrow key we have page up and page down. बेटा page up and page down में वो complete page को change करते हैं. Page up means going one by one page. Page 1, then page 2. जैसे आप पेज अप करेंगे, लाइन बाय लाइन मूव नहीं होगा, पेज बाय पेज मूव होगा. जस्ट यू आर टर्निंग अ पेज इन योर बुक. फर्स्ट पेज अप किया, सेकंड पेज अप, थर्ड पेज अप, फोर्थ पेज. एंड इफ आई एम डूइंग पेज डाउन मींस आई एम रिवर्सिंग द पेपर. मींस पेज 3, देन पेज डाउन पेज 2, देन पेज डाउन पेज 1. हम पेज अप करते हैं तो पेपर वन बाय वन ऊपर जाते हैं, पेज बाय पेज. एंड अगर हम पेज डाउन करेंगे इट विल कम पेज बाय पेज अगेन टू द फर्स्ट पेज. पेज अप एंड पेज डाउन आपके नोटबुक्स में जैसे आप यूज करते हैं. जस्ट इन द केस लाइक हियर आई एम चेंजिंग द कंप्लीट पेज. सो पेज नंबर 1 2 आई एम कमिंग पेज नंबर 2. सो दिस इज पेज अप. मैं पेज को मूव कर रहा हूं. आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द पेज. इफ आई एम गोइंग बैकवर्ड्स, पेज 5, देन पेज 4, पेज 3, पेज 2, पेज 1. दिस इज पेज डाउन. मैं पेज को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में कर. आफ्टर दैट इन द नेविगेशन की वी हैव होम एंड एंड. होम की आपके कर्सर को लाइन के बिगिनिंग में लेके आता है. वेयर एवर इज योर कर्सर, इफ यू विल प्रेस द होम की, वो लाइन के बिगिनिंग में ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा. सिमिलरली एंड की, अगर आप कहीं पर भी है आपका कर्सर, इफ यू विल प्रेस द एंड की, इट विल कम टू द एंड ऑफ द लाइन. बिगिनिंग से वो एंड ऑफ द लाइन पे आ जाएगा. मींस ये आपके कर्सर को एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन पे शिफ्ट करने का मेथड है. यू कैन शिफ्ट द कर्सर टू द बिगिनिंग ऑफ लाइन बाय यूजिंग द होम की. यू कैन शिफ्ट द कर्सर टू द एंडिंग ऑफ द लाइन बाय यूजिंग द एंड की. सो एज यू हैव सीन, by using these navigation key, what we are doing, we are navigating, we are moving in the document. So I think this makes